We arrived. This is Circus Basket, New York, USA. Look how many people. Hello! Hola! A ver. Look how many nice people. And you know what? Here in New York, everybody knows Italian song. Here we're going to sing more. Yes. Are you ready? I'm always ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes!
Excuse me, guys. Hey, hello. I need to continue with the show, and you are like disturbing.
I'm your biggest fan.
Who are you? Yes. Who are you?
My name is Memo Vasquez. Hi, everyone, and I am one of the owners of the circus.
Memo Vasquez is muy famoso.
Thank you. Come here, guys. I like you now. Come here.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
How you doing?
I'm okay. I'm fresh because I come from vacations.
Oh.
Yes.
I came from Rome, Italy.
Oh, Rome, Italy. And you, my friend?
My name is
Oh.
Mexico City.
And what brought you here to the circus?
Mr. Vasquez.
Yes.
I have a new magic trick to show this evening.
Oh, you know what? I
Tell us that Yo Gabba Gabba is going to be in the show.
Like magician.
Yeah.
Do you like magic?
Yep.
Great.
Yes.
I need your help.
Oh.
Mr. Vasquez.
Yes.
I need something from the public to make it disappear.
Something like a hot dog? No.
Yes. Hello, madam. How are you? Could I borrow your scarf for a little while, please? Very kind of you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, a nice scarf from the lady. I put this scarf in my pocket. And with my magic word from my pocket, it will land in the pocket from Fumagalli.
Really? You know what? I don't believe it.
You don't believe it? No. Then watch. Nothing silly.
You understand? It's in your
Abracadabra. Zip salami.
Spaghetti, maccheroni e pizza non napoletana.
Ladies and gentlemen, the scarf is now in the pocket of Maganda.
Oh, let me see.
And one moment, please. Now moving from the pocket of Magandi and will return in my pocket.
You see, that's what I don't believe you. Before you return it to your pocket, I want to see the scarf.
Oh, yes?
Yes.
Look in your pocket, the scarf should be there.
Yes, it's there.
You see?
No, we want to see.
Yes, you like to see it, and nobody else.
Do you want to see it too?
Show it.
I want to see this.
Bravi.
I can't hear you. This is magic.
Well, if you need a contract, if you want a contract in my circus, you need to impress the audience with more than that.
More than that,
Yes.
put it back in your pocket.
What do you do now?
More difficult.